can click record. So I have the server running. Let me check how many users I have. Oh, what? There are 9 users. Let me delete those so that we start from fresh. And while I'm at it, I'll also import the.
Just to be clear, I don't want this to be a like testing. I just want the end to end. Like I want to just do a final key, like UI looks okay, etc. Just the flow. Well,
Okay.
you don't go through like every rigorous testing in this. That is not the
Yeah,
what
okay,
I'm.
but just so you know, all these checks that are there, I have done, I have
Huh,
checked them after I have
fine.
tested them. So these
Uh,
things work.
definitely. Yeah. So I'm just believing you. So just show me a final UI how it's looking. And
Yeah, good. So, oh, it is
last
from.
issue that was kind of what was the issue? What was the fix? I mean,
So I honestly do not know because after we cut the call, everything started working again, and I could not reproduce the bug that was there. And even I forgot. So I fixed a bunch of things in the front end. Maybe that may have fixed things, but I could not find any issue regarding the user details processor.
got it.
So I am not logged in. So when you are not logged in, you and you visit the blog page, you will always see this sign up to our newsletter thing, which is bad. This will be improved via the tracker ID stuff, but this does not exist today. So what I can do is I can put any email which is a valid email. So I can put this email and I can click subscribe, or you can go to read now, but I'll click
Just
subscribe.
a random suggestion. Mini was doing some testing and on prod, and she was using invalid emails. The thing is,
Uh,
key on prod she did for create account flow.
so I think if I put any garbage, yeah, I get the invalid email message from the server. So
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm listen to what I'm saying. This is like I'm talking about a mail which looks valid, but it is not no real email. Like it was a fake email,
mhm.
and she was doing that testing on prod. So because of that, we had two bounces. And
So
my point
I
is, she
don't think that we can easily detect that because
it's not about that. It's about the fact that we have very few mails that we have sent so far. So at least we as internal people do not do prod testing with fake email addresses because
uh,
that goes to our real account and we don't want bounces to happen.
okay, so
We have
I may or may not have done this one time on the fifth report site.
I'm just saying is don't do any even one. There's a limit of 3%. So because we are only sending like 5 mails, 3% you can cross by sending even one mail, right?
Mhm.
Which bounce. So if the number of mails that bounce more than hard bounce go more than 3%, you will be blocked. That is general rule. And because of our extremely low this thing, most likely they will not enforce it. But why take risk? So if it goes live, I'm just giving everyone an instruction to do not test with fake email addresses.
Oh, yeah, got it. Yeah, cool. So let's put my actual email and I can click subscribe, which says that a confirmation email has been sent, which I can go and verify, or I can choose to read my blogs.
Mhm.
So the email
Just
can,
to show me that like Acha, you clicked on that link.
yeah, and I am on the blog page, so I can read any of the blog. Again, when I go to the blog page, it will again ask me to sign up for the newsletter because I'm not logged in. But if I create the account, it will know and it will automatically show me the this blog page. I can quickly show you that.
Mhm.
So let's create you, and so you are logged in. And when you visit blog, since you have not subscribed to our mail, we prefill your email here. You cannot change it, and you there is you either click read now or you click subscribe. So I click subscribe. This time I see a different message because since I am already authenticated user, I do not get the confirm to subscribe to this newsletter confirmation email. I get directly confirmed.
So,
So,
so that second mail goes, right?
what did you say?
The second confirmation mail will go, right, at this point.
No, so the confirmation email to subscribe to the newsletter will not go. The confirmation email to verify their account will.
So then add that also. And that should go.
You did ask me to not send the confirmation email if the user
Not
is.
the confirmation mail, the thank you mail. So you have been subscribed to wala mail.
Okay, that is. I have not done that because Minu has not sent me the template yet.
Got it.
So, yeah, so you can just read.
No, but I would say कि मतलब from code point to वो कर दो so that we only have to update the HTML. Na? Do you like so put some dummy HTML on your from your side?
Yeah,
You
okay,
have been
I'll do that after this call. But so what you have just asked me to do is when they conform to the newsletter, they will get a welcome to our newsletter email, right?
yes.
Okay, I'll do that.
Like I
Uh,
said, the second mail is important mail. That is the like everyone will has to receive. The first mail is optional.
cool. Okay. I'll, I think I have not, yes, I have written it, but I'll do this after the call. Cool. So since I am authenticated, the backend knows that I have previously subscribed to this. So if I again visit the blog page, it will just show me the blog page and
Perfect.
no newsletter stuff. So I think to make this work, you have
I think
already.
let's also add one discussion or somewhere in the subscription wala repo with all these like things that we have discussed. That tiny thing that we have to do
Mm, you mean add a to do in the subscription app itself?
in the subscription repo, yeah. And ideally for each of independent to dos. Well, if you think there's a bunch of like cleanups that you can do in one discussion, or you can have like a different discussion for each. Uh,
So, I mean, all of the things that we have talked about, these are very small things. So I want
good.
to just keep it inside my personal to-do list because
So I would say ki then can you put it somewhere that at least in your discussion or somewhere else?
okay, you just want to see this. Yeah.
I'm just looking for some. Exactly.
Okay. So actually there are a lot.
Hmm?
So I'm not talking about the subscription thing, but I have accumulated these to-dos over months here. So
Would you mind putting them in a just create a discussion in business? I
yeah,
don't know if you keep on
yeah,
it
that
away.
will be better. Yes.
Just on the work log may the work threads may.
Yeah. Okay. So these are done. I will not do these. Some of these may not even have proper context, so you may still not understand them. This,
Yeah, so then I would say ki, matlab, I don't know how do I, what I'm trying to say is ki, like you saw, I created this thing for release app. Maybe you create a, like for subscription, I need like the whole feature roadmap, ki kya kya karna hai.
I did not see what you done for the release.
So just go business mein, there's a
Uh,
thread.
Okay.
Yeah, some like just
Okay. And this one probably is better. So I'll just put let me check if there are any. No, no. Yep, that is.
ठीक है, तो
Uh,
I'll carry on. So you'll update this thread with whatever is the remaining things that you have. And also, you said there's one minor thing that you have to do, right? The second mail that you have to send.
yes. So
So second
I'll,
mail का dummy content you put. अपनी तरफ से लिख लो जो लिखना है. Need not be.
या एक बार मैं बस पिंग कर लेता हूँ मीनू को अगर उसने. ओके. ठीक है.